Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get videos in Candy Crush Saga. Many players want to earn extra lives and boosters without spending real money, and watching short advertisements is a fantastic way to do just that. We will go through the simple steps to find these video opportunities and claim your free rewards. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your gameplay experience, giving you an edge on those tricky levels. Finding these video opportunities is quite simple once you know where to look. Often, you will see a small video camera icon or a Free Boosters button on your main map screen. When you run out of lives, navigate to the Lives section, and an option to watch a video for an extra life might appear. Additionally, after failing a particularly challenging level, the game might offer a video to give you another chance. Once you spot a video opportunity, simply tap on the icon to start watching the short advertisement. These videos typically last between 15 and 30 seconds. It is important to have a stable internet connection to ensure the video plays smoothly without interruptions. After the advertisement concludes, your free reward, whether it is a booster or an extra life, will be automatically added to your inventory or life count. To make the most of these free rewards, remember that video opportunities often refresh every few hours. So, if you do not see one immediately, check back later. Keeping your Candy Crush Saga game updated to the latest version is also crucial, as new features and reward systems are frequently introduced. Occasionally, simply closing and reopening the application can refresh the available video options, giving you more chances to earn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.